Everyone said this car is dead. They said it's old, rusted, and useless.
But today I am choosing something different.
So, who am I? I am Anthony, I am 21 years old, and I study economics. I am as broke as possible, and I don't have any garage. But I have crazy ideas, like you all do. But this video isn't about me, it's about saving something people have forgotten.
This is Mazda 929 Coupe from 1988.
This car is built in a time when cars were not just cars, they had soul. Maybe this car took someone to their first job, maybe it witnessed the first kiss. You don't know it. They should have a chance to be alive.
So here is a challenge. If we reach 3,000 subscribers in 1 month, I'm gonna build this car.
With you in my parking lot. Not my parking lot, in a parking lot, because I don't have any parking lot, I don't have a house, I don't have anything, even professional tools. I'm taking this video on my phone, which I bought for $50. That's a great deal. So, in 1 month, I have to get 3,000 subscribers. Can we do it?
I'm not doing this because it's easy. No, I'm not actually. I'm doing this because the car deserves a second chance, like we all do. Not in a fancy garage, because I'm broke. I don't have any garage. Just a parking lot, maybe. If it's, of course, free.
Everyone said I shouldn't. And I decided to upload this video for car enthusiasts, car lovers. I don't know how to pronounce enthusiasts or something like that. Okay, so I wanted to put this video, upload this video, and see if we get any people who decided to keep this car. Well, if you want, if you guys are really interested in this car, we may buy this car and build it with you. Playing games or making AI videos, I don't care about that. I want this car to live. I want you to decide. The car people, the people who really think about cars, who really love their car. The people who told me not to buy this car actually are just drivers. They want to go from point A to point B and not anything else. Please subscribe and share this video to your friends. I may not be professional videographer or person who takes videos or something like that. I don't know. I'm not that kind of person. So if you decide to keep this car, I will keep this car. If you don't, I may not, because actually I love this car, but it's not practical. It's a piece of rust. It needs plenty of work and stuff like that. So I need some motivation from you guys. You really matter. You really matter to me. If I can do this, you can do anything. If you have idea, if you want to do something, you can do this. So this may be my first video in my YouTube channel, so I like the word so, as you see. Please help me, help this car, help to keep a piece of history. 1 subscribe
one subscription, and that's it. It's nothing for you, but it's a big thing for me. My Russian accent. I love my Russian accent. I'm not Russian, though, bro. I forgot to tell you something. It's been sitting for 10 years, but it still runs. So it's gonna be really interesting. Subscribe.